SmartDoor BW900 User Guide. This video covers installation and usage of the new generation camera integrated door controller BW900. This practical device lets you control your gate directly via your phone. For stable device performance, install BW900 within 5 meters of the Wi-Fi router and 80 meters of the gate. Stay away from thick walls and metal barriers for reliable signal. How to register and log in. Download the SmartDoor app. Android, search SmartDoor on Google Play. iOS, search SmartDoor on App Store. Search SmartDoor on App Store. Register with email. Set 8-digit password. Enter verification code. Then log in. How to activate. When powered on for the first time, wait for the camera to finish rotation self-test and auto-activate. Open the bottom cover of the device, long press the left button until you hear a ding-dong tone, indicating it is ready for pairing. Enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and location services on your phone. Tap Add Device. Select the device serial number when it pops up. Name your device, then enter your Wi-Fi password. After a few seconds, once it shows connected, you can view high definition live streaming. Ethernet connection. We recommend Ethernet connection for maximum stability. Simply plug the Ethernet cable into the device's rear port. Follow the same steps as Wi-Fi connection to finish configuration. How to copy remote. Tap the notebook icon on the top right of the control page. Tap the drop-down arrow, then tap Copy. Take your original remote. Long press buttons in order: Open, Stop, Close, Lock. Copying succeeds when all 4 on-screen buttons turn green. Tap Confirm to go back to the main page. Test gate opening and closing. The setup is complete if the gate works properly. How to set motor single key mode. Slide switch 1 on the red block to on. Then you can use single key mode. How to switch to single key remote copy. Tap the top right icon on the control page. Select remote type. Choose single key. Tap the drop-down arrow and select Copy. Pick up the remote and press Open. Copy completes when icons turn green. Return to the control page for testing. How to control multiple gates. Again, tap the top right icon on the control page. Tap plus to add a new gate. Then select remote type. Repeat copy. Pick up the original remote. Press Open, Stop, Close, Lock. Once all 4 icons turn green, you may control the second gate on this interface. How to share. Go to Settings, Share, Manage Friends, Add Family Email. Confirm and share access. Now your friend can control door opening and closing. How to cancel sharing. Go to Settings, Share, select Account. Access removed instantly. Your friend no longer has access rights. How to view door opening records. Check gate access records in Settings. Door opening records. You can see who operated the gate and the exact time. How to unbind device. Go to Settings. Unbind device. Unbind. After confirmation, device reset. Ready for new account to pair.